Welcome back to Harris Family Adventures. Today we are visiting ZooWorld in Panama City Beach, Florida. Are you ready?
Those lizards.
This is an at-will zoo. All hands-on animal experience at ZooWorld are based on at-will models. Animals participate only if they choose to, ensuring respect and ethical engagement. This zoo houses over 200 to 260 animals representing more than 100 species. The first animal that we visited was the capybara.
Who did? Oh wow!
I felt it. I got a white.
Yeah, don't move your hair. Don't move your hair.
Little did Megan know she had a surprise coming her way as well. Stay tuned in this video to watch what happened to Megan. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world. Adult capybaras can weigh between 77 to 150 pounds. Their native habitat is in South America, commonly found in countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Argentina, and Peru. They love the water and are excellent swimmers. They live near rivers, lakes, and marshes. They also like to stay in packs. They usually have a social group of about 10 to 20.
How you doing?
Known for their calm, gentle nature, they often get along well with other animals.
He also really likes chin rubs.
Whoa, it's like pieces of hay.
An interesting fact is their teeth never stop growing, so they constantly chew plants to wear.
And being rodents, their teeth are always growing, so kind of like our fingernails. They have to chew on anything and everything to trim them down. So they have to eat 8+ pounds of food every day, and that'll include different.
Well, we probably do too.
Oh my goodness, you're pitiful.
You silly. You silly.
Different things like bamboo, elephant
You
grass,
silly.
root vegetables, the feet.
Yeah, that's
And you
good.
guys can feel those toes. They're like individual little hooks on each toe. They're super cool. Bird in South America is actually the palm oil industry.
Buddy. Hi, buddy.
They're forests and
Hi, buddy.
they get cut down. So just making sure
This is really neat. I like this.
they are super cool.
The next animals we are visiting are the lemurs. Boy, are they fun.
You guys are very active.
The staff at this park are top-notch. They do a great job making you feel welcome and part of the experience.
Okay, so if you guys
Ready?
start
Okay.
first.
Yeah. Hi, buddy.
Alright, so these are our rough lemurs. You wanna hold them?
Oh, they're soft. Wow, they're soft.
Hey.
Yeah. The business end right there.
But we have two types of rough lemurs in here. We have our black and white and our red.
Woo! Mom, can you put that in your vlog
Yeah.
thing?
Oh,
Guys love cats, they love classics, they love new like fabrics that they don't really feel often. Because these guys are super curious little animals.
we get the picture ready. 1, 2. We get you up in now. Yeah, yeah. Let me get this. There you go. Yeah. Take as many as you want.
Yes, sir.
Not yeah. Oh, that's great.
Oh, look.
Oh, wow. That is great.
They're so sweet.
These guys are very social animals. They
Yeah.
love new people.
Well, they just jump right on you.
Unbelievable.
Woo, he's gonna jump
They
there.
will be like high up in the tree, so we were taking them over.
How you doing?
So we're
You got some bad breath.
And we are hunting them for their birth. And so
I got a friend.
one day these guys will be able to go back to the wild, but as of right now, that's just not possible.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's a cute one. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, probably. They like your hat.
Yeah, they do. I love the hat.
But not only that, these guys will have a big communal nest with all other babies inside that nest. I got
There you
some
go.
vanilla because that is the
Look at it. Oh, it's grabbing it. Look at it grabbing it.
Here, now I got it. Yeah.
Oh my lord.
Here you go, buddy. He likes that hat. It must be. You like.
It's that Orbis.
You like this? There's a sweat. Probably salty. Hello. Hello. Go. What are you doing? I can feel them looking or something. Well, hello. Hi. How you doing? Okay, I'll see you, buddy. Next time.
Okay.
You gotta. You gotta deal with them now. You gotta deal with them now.
He wants to still.
No, go get hit.
They don't have anything to do with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say, did they just...
There you go. There you go. There you go.
You might get the tassel on the back of your foot.
They got Tyler now.
We got Tyler. What's going on all at once?
Wow.
They don't like you guys. They say your time is up.
Watch my cousin Megan in the white shirt.
Oh, it's pooping on.
Who's he pooping on? Megan?
Yeah, it just pooped right.
Oh,
It just rolled right down her.
Lord. Well, he'll eat it up.
Oh, never happened before. She's not riding back with us. Oh. Oh, that'd been great. Oh, wow. Okay.
The next animal we got to see is the sloth.
Right, so he actually only sweats from his nose, which means he's not producing any kind of odor, which is how he actually stays nice and alive out there in the wild.
Wow. What continent?
He's from South America.
Okay.
Yep, so mainly the Amazon rainforest, so up there in Brazil. Like carrots.
Yeah,
And he just so happens to love carrots.
that's cute.
And this is the food that he eats?
Mm-hmm.
And we can feed it to him?
Yep, you're more than welcome to. If you just grab it and then put it in front of his little nose. If he wants it, he'll take it. If he doesn't, he'll keep sleeping.
I've had enough. Hi, buddy.
Smell my doggies on you? Recreational work, or just for quality of life. So Mr. Mo came here to be a little ladies' man, and he has been very successful in breeding. Exactly, yeah. He loves himself his girls. But like I said, this is exactly. But like I said, this is his like little hotel room.
Now we are going into the bird sanctuary to feed the birds.
Got it.
Okay. Oh, wow. What are you doing? You saw me? Yeah, you saw me.
Wow, look at that.
Are they on your shoulder? Yeah. Wow, there's two of them, Ty.
I'm feeding that while you're
Oh, wow, look at Dad. Look at Dad. Did you see him, 70?
You know they're gonna poop on me.
Yeah. Whoa, I got two.
How many do I still have on me?
Whoa, I got three now. Well, hello, guys.
You got one.
Nope, not that. Not that.
Two.
Two more.
No. How many do I have?
One. Wow, look at me, Dad. Look at
On your head.
Wow. How many I got here?
Help me.
I love it. Oh, you're in here. Another? Okay. Oh, this is cool.
Oh my word.
Here, take one of these. Take some of these sticks.
Here, take a bird. Oh,
Help me get the bird off my head.
you want it off? That's my phone.
This is a lot of fun.
Oh my, there's one in my hair. I can feel him. Oh my gosh, it tickles. Okay, I'm a little terrified that it's in my hair. I'm terrified.
They going for it? Oh, wow.
Let's get it in his mouth.
Look,
Oh, I almost got it in his mouth. Oh, they're fighting.
yes, wow. Look at that. Man. Here, see if he wants a chip. That is so close. Wow. That is unbelievable.
And it's so crazy how peaceful they look. Like you could just snuggle them.
Hi. How you doing? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. How you doing?
We had an amazing time at ZooWorld in Panama City Beach, Florida. We are so glad we paid for the up-close, hands-on experience with the animals. From feeding and interacting with the animals to learning from the friendly staff, every moment was unforgettable. ZooWorld gave us the chance to make memories while discovering incredible wildlife in a fun and educational way. We want to thank you for coming along with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for additional videos on our Panama City vacation.
Got it?